Hi friends, in this video we will look at some of the more basic commands to use the MS-DOS. We will look at some of the commands from which you can delete your directories and files, and you can also perform lots of important things as well. So let's start by opening the CMD. Go to Start menu and search for CMD, and there it is here. Now I am inside my C users future Envision folder currently. This is my present working directory. I want to move this directory, this folder, into A. Okay, so in this case I will write move and the source path C : /folder space my destination path C : /A. So one directory moved. So let's look at the results here. So inside my A, there's my folder. Okay, CLS to clear my screen. So now let's start working with the delete command. So I'm going to delete files inside my A. Okay, I'll create several text documents like that. Okay, so there are 5 .txt documents, as you can see, inside my local disk CA folder. Okay, so I just want to delete just one text document, this one. I'll change the name so that I can easily write the document's name. I'll write D. Okay, so D is my text document name. Alright, so first of all I'm gonna change my present working directory by just writing cd space /, and now I'm inside C. Alright, it's time to go inside A, cd A. Now I'm inside my A folder here. There. Okay, I want to delete this D, so let's write delete command, del a.txt, the document name followed by its signature, and when you press enter, could not find a.txt. I'm sorry, that was d.txt actually. So d.txt, now the file is deleted. As you can see, there's no D exist. But what if I want to delete all of them in a single command? I want to delete all these documents, the text documents, by just a single command. So in this case, I'll use a wildcard. I'll write delete space asterisk .txt. Okay, that means that delete all the documents which ends with the signature .txt. If I hit enter, then as you can see here, there is no txt file exist. Alright, okay, that's pretty cool, right? Okay, CLS to clear my screen again. Okay, inside my A folder I'll create another text document, and now I'm gonna change its name with just D again. Okay, alright. Now I want to just rename this document .txt with some other name. Okay, so in this case I will write REN, which stands for rename, d.txt space. I have just selected the document. Now I want to select d.txt and change its name with new.txt. And if I see here new.txt. Alright, so that's quite pretty nice. Okay, if I go back to my C drive, I'll write cd ... and now I want to just confirm that whether my new.txt exists inside this A directory. Okay, I want to just confirm that. There is a very nice usage of dir command. I'll write dir new.txt, So inside this local disk C, file not found, because inside my local disk C there is no new.txt, right? Uh, so I will go inside my folder A this time, cd A. Now inside my A folder, now I'll write dir space new.txt. This output indicates that one file which contains 0 bytes, and there's a file new.txt which has 0 bytes, right? 0 bytes because it's empty, and this is 0 dir free bytes. It is basically the free space of my local disk C. Okay, so that's how you can confirm that that if any file exists on your specified location or not. Okay, CLS. Okay, now I'm gonna create two different text documents. This will be D again. Okay. Okay. Now I want to just confirm that how many TXT documents exist in my A folder inside my local disk C. In this case, I will write dir space asterisk. Asterisk means everything, as I've told you before. .txt, right? If I hit enter, so here it shows us the output that there is a 0 byte d.txt, 0 byte new text document, 0 byte new.txt. So that's cool. This command shows us everything about the .txt document. It says that all these txt documents exist in my specified location. If I go inside my D and write something, hello, so it should take 5 bytes, right? Save. Now again, if I write the same command, this time it says that d.txt contains 5 bytes, and the total results on all the files have 5 bytes of information. So that's how you can use the wildcards, asterisk wildcards. Okay, CLS again. Okay, so there are 3 different TXT documents here. I want to just confirm that whether any document whose name starts with N exists in my specified location or not. Okay, in this case I'll write dir space capital N and asterisk .txt. So here, as you can see, any document whose name starts with the N, it's capital N or small letters N, doesn't matter. So all the documents whose name starts with the N is now evaluated by this dir command. That's great. Another thing you can do, you can, if you want to search a document whose name's second character is E, right? In this case, you will write dir space question mark. It means that I don't know what is the first character, and I know the second character is E, but I don't know the third character. Okay, so question mark E question mark .txt. If I hit enter, as you can see, there the file is found by the dir command, that the file whose name's second character is E and the first and last character whatever. Okay, so question mark means I don't know. You have just given the idea to your dir command that I don't know the first character of the name, I don't know the last character of the name of the file, I just know the second character, which is E, and it's .txt. It is but when this work is done perfectly by the dir command, as you can see. Okay, so there's a last command. I want to change my local disk D name. Okay, I can just rename it like this, local disk. If I want to change this local disk with data, I want to just change the name of my local disk D. So in this case, I will go inside my um, local disk D. I'll write D colon, and now I'm inside my local disk D, and now I'll write label and the name of the disk. I'll write data. Okay, so access denied, you don't have sufficient privileges. Okay, now I understand why it doesn't work. I should open my CLI as administrator so that I can get all the privileges. Okay, so now I'll write D colon again. So I'm inside my D, and I will write a label data. Now let's look at the results. There is data. Okay, so that was the last command. Okay, so that's it. Congratulations, you have completed the course MS-DOS Basics. Now you have a handsome knowledge to use the MS-DOS. You can work with the MS-DOS. You can perform all the basic things. MS-DOS is basically very important to study the advanced subjects of computer science. So that's why MS-DOS basics are necessary to learn if you want to learn some of the most advanced computer science subjects, like networking, like networks, like computer networks, like operating systems, and many other computer science related subjects as well. So many congratulations from my side. I hope you have enjoyed learning with me, and I have enjoyed with you guys as well. So if you are interested in computer science, if you want to learn more about computer sciences, we have created many other courses as well related to computer science. I have given different links of my different courses. You can just click on that, and if you can see the description of the courses. There are lots of different courses. You will like them. If you are interested in those courses, you can get enrolled in it. We also have our blog from where you can get the latest updates. You can visit futureenvision.blogspot.com here. So this is our blog. As you can see, there are different courses. We have created different courses here. You can just enroll yourself in those courses, and you will enjoy learning on those courses. They are pretty nice. Okay, thank you.